One of the most common questions that new coin collectors have is, what's the best way to store my coins? Well, there are several things to take into consideration. Firstly, and most importantly, what will keep your coins safe? Secondly, what will allow you to view your coins easily? Because you want to be able to appreciate your coin collection. And also, how do you make important notes about specific coins, like details on errors or varieties, without affecting the appearance of your coin collection? Well, we've put together a coin collecting kit that allows you to do all of these things. The elements in this kit have been specifically chosen to both keep your coins safe and make them easy to view. As part of this kit, you'll receive these special pre-printed inserts which fit into your 2x2s. They sit on the other side of the coin flips. So your coin goes into the 2x2 with the insert on the other side, and that sits in the sleeves. The idea with these inserts is that they allow you to store your coins in any order, and you can reorganize your coins without having to cross out or rewrite any of the coin details that you've put down. These inserts have the coin names and coin details printed on them on the front and the back, and the idea is to give your collection a consistent look and feel. There is one insert for every special design coin in circulation, and that means 20 cents, 50 cents, $2, and wow, there have been a lot of different $1 coins put into circulation over the years. Now, there are also some blank inserts that allow you to write details for other coins in your collection, like errors or varieties. So here's what you receive: the coin folder with the clamshell lid, and the 3-ring binder which stores your coin sleeves. Then you receive 15 coin sleeves which sit in the ring binder. Each sleeve holds 20 2x2 coin flips, in other words 20 coins per sleeve. You get 5 packs of 50 2x2 coin flips, and that means that you're ready to store up to 250 coins. The folder, sleeves and coin flips have all been carefully chosen as they are acid-free and don't contain any PVC. They are made of materials that are safe for storing coins and are used by museums to store their coins and metal objects. Then there are over 250 coin inserts, with one insert for every special design coin released into circulation since 1966, plus some blank inserts where you can add details of errors or other coins in your collection. These sit with your coins inside the coin flips. And then finally, there's a pair of white gloves to help handle coins and a magnifying glass. The kit includes everything you need for storing and enjoying your coins. To order a copy of this kit for yourself, see the link in the description for this video.